Hello aspirants, welcome back to the College Learning Exams YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain the complete COMEDK UGET 2026 application process, including important dates, eligibility criteria, step-by-step registration, application fee details, and what happens after you apply. If you are aiming for engineering colleges in Karnataka through COMEDK, this video will guide you through every step. Let's begin with the important dates for COMEDK UGET 2026. The application process will open on 3rd of February 2026 and the last date to apply is 16th of March 2026. The admit card will be released on 29th of April 2026. The COMEDK UGET exam is scheduled on Saturday 9th of May 2026. The results are expected to be announced in May 2026. Candidates are advised to mark these dates carefully to avoid any missing deadlines. COMEDK UGET stands for Common Entrance Test conducted by Consortium of Medical, Engineering and Dental Colleges of Karnataka. This exam is conducted for admission to undergraduate engineering programs in Karnataka. Through COMEDK UGET, candidates can get admission to more than 150 participating private engineering colleges. Admissions are done through a single window centralized counseling process after the declaration of results. COMEDK UGET 2026 is open to Indian nationals from any state and there is no domicile restriction for applying. Candidates must have completed 10+2 or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry and mathematics as core subjects. General category candidates must have secured at least 45% aggregate marks in PCM, while 40% is required for SC, ST and OBC candidates of Karnataka. There is no upper age limit. However, diploma holders are not eligible for BTech admissions through COMEDK. The COMEDK UGET 2026 application process is conducted completely online. First, visit the official website comedk.org. Complete your registration by entering basic personal details, including email ID, mobile number, and date of birth. Next, fill in the application form by entering details under Applying for, personal information, category details, academic details, and exam city preference. Upload the required documents as per the given format and size guidelines. Then, pay the application fee online. After reviewing all the details, submit the form and save the confirmation page and application PDF for future reference. The application fee for COMEDK UGET 2026 is 1950 rupees plus applicable convenience charges. The fee can be paid online using credit card, debit card, net banking, mobile wallets or UPI. No offline or cash payments are accepted. Candidates must keep the payment receipt and transaction ID safely, as this may be required during later admission processes. COMEDK also provides several preparation and support resources for aspirants. Candidates can access official mock test on the COMEDK website to understand the exam pattern and difficulty level. Solving previous year question papers is highly recommended to identify important topics and trends. The COMEDK's Innovation Hub provides career guidance sessions and skill building courses. For any queries, students can contact the COMEDK helpline number or email the student help desk. After submitting the application, candidates should download their admit card from the official website in April 2026. Appear for the COMEDK UGET exam on 9th of May 2026 at the allotted test center. Once results are declared, you can check your score and rank list online. Qualified candidates can then participate in the centralized COMEDK counseling process for seat allotment in participating colleges. Candidates must note that reservation benefits are applicable only for Karnataka category students during counseling. This brings us to the end of our COMEDK UGET 2026 application guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to College Learning Exams YouTube channel. For the latest updates on exams, admissions, counseling and cutoffs, stay connected with College Dunya. All the best for your COMEDK UGET 2026 preparation.